Okay, I'm going to go over the Desmos 6.5. Now, there are 8 problems that you have to do. I'm going to start off with number 4. So on number 4, we're multiplying 2 binomials, that are polynomials that have 2 terms. So I'm going to go ahead and use the box method, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I'm starting off with number 4, and I'm going to go ahead and make my box. So I'm going to have 11x plus 9, 12x plus 6, go ahead and start multiplying. So I'll do 12x times 11x. Now remember, you have to use your calculator. So when I do 12 times 11, I'm going to get 132, and then add my exponents, I get x squared. Then I'm going to do 12x times 9. Again, use your calculator. 12 times 9, you get 108, and the x goes with it. Then I'm going to do 11x times 6. So 11 times 6 is 66. X goes with it. And then 9 times 6 is 54. And it is positive. So then I'm going to write out my terms. 132 x squared plus 108 x plus 66 x plus 54. My first term, I bring it down, 132x squared. I'm going to have to add my middle terms, and I'll get, because they're both positive, same sign, so it's going to be a plus. Add that up, I get 174x, bring down my 54. So this is my answer. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. One 32x shift 6 squared plus 174x plus 54. Hit submit. Good work. Now do the next example. Okay, now the next example is going to be slide 6. I'm going to be multiplying a binomial and a trinomial. So a trinomial's got 3 terms. So I'm going to go ahead and do my (3x squared plus 2x minus 4). Then here I got negative 5x plus 4. Negative 5x times 3x squared will give me negative 15. Add my exponents, it'd be x to the third. Now I'm going to do negative 5x times plus 2x. So I'll multiply that. Signs are different, so I'm going to have a negative. 5 times 2 is 10. Add my exponents, I get x squared. Now I'm going to do negative 5x times negative 4 Signs are the same. So I get a positive. 5 times 4 is 20. X. First row is done. Now I'll do the second row. So I'll do 4 times 3x squared. I'll get 12x squared. 4 times 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. They're both positive. So plus 8x. And then 4 times negative 4. Signs are different. I get negative 16. Okay, so I'm going to write out my terms. My first term is going to be negative 15x cubed. My second term is going to be minus 10x squared. Now, remember diagonally, these guys are the like terms, and I'm going to keep them together. So the next term I'm going to write is going to be 12x squared. And then the next one is going to be plus 20x. And again, I'm keeping my like terms together. Plus 8x. And my last term is going to be minus 16. I'm going to bring down my first term. Negative 15x cubed. Now here I got my negative 10x squared plus 12x so I get signs are different, so I subtract, so I get a plus 2x squared. Then I have 20x plus 8x, that gives me a plus 28x. Then bring down my minus 16. And then I just type all that in. Minus 5x. Make sure you put to the third. Plus 2x squared plus 28x minus 16. And that's how you do number 6.